this little town right here. It's just peaceful and quiet. You see people out like that lady was mowing her grass there. Just enjoying life the way it's supposed to be, without drama. Morning. People need to enjoy life without drama. I'll tell you something, guys. I'll be 65 years old shortly. I'm 64, and it went by like that. One day I was 10, 12 years old, and the next day I was 20 years old. I couldn't wait till 21 to buy a beer. Then I got 21, I bought a beer and said, what's the big deal? And then suddenly I'm 40, 50, 60, and it's rolling by like the odometer. It just keeps on going. And if you're as old as I am, you know what I mean by the odometer. Nowadays it's digital. Used to, the numbers rolled up. Had a good little ride this morning. I do want to thank everybody for watching. Like I said, that's why I make these videos. Sorry about that, my glasses were sliding down on the end of my nose. I was looking like Grandma Moses. Turn out on 318 down here to the right. Go back under 75 and take one of the side roads. If I stay on this road, it'll take me right into Ocala. But it'll take me in on the city. A lot of traffic. Tell you, my truck has been hit in the rear end twice here recently, and I just don't want to get hit in the rear end on a motorcycle. Morning, guys. I always throw out my hand, guys, to a motorcycle rider. I don't care what he rides. I don't care. A lot of people say, oh, he's a Harley guy. I don't care. I don't care if you're riding a Harley. I don't care if you're riding a Honda. I don't care if you're riding a Yamaha, Suzuki, a BMW. I don't care. If you're out here on two wheels enjoying this, more power to you, brother, and I'm happy to see you. So I throw out my hand. A lot of people say, well, why do you throw out your hand? That's just a neighborly way of saying, hello, fellow. I'm glad you're out here. I'm glad you're enjoying this. That's all. My wife, she loves it, I'll swear to God. I put her on the back of this motorcycle and that hand's out every time. She likes it. She likes the lifestyle and the friendships that you develop riding a Harley. And, you know, the old Enthusiast magazine said you meet the nicest people on a Harley. And you do. I've heard people say, "Oh, they're motorcycle riders." Nah, that's old school. That's long ago. The 1% clubs. I'll tell you something about them. If you treat them with respect, they'll treat you with respect. And it's that simple. And if you belong to a 1% club, that's the lifestyle that you want to live. And more power to you, brother. And they look at each other as brothers. They protect each other. They help each other out. Believe it or not, guys, a lot of the 1% clubs started after the war. World War II and Korean War, the Vietnam War. Guys came back, and there was a lot of Harleys around, especially after World War II. And the guys got out and started riding them. They started stripping them. They started making choppers out of them. And they noticed a lot of them were military people, brothers in arms, so to speak. So that's kind of, made a brotherhood. And let me tell you, if you've ever been in the military and you've ever been in battle, you'll know who your brother is. That's that man right there beside you when the bullets are flying that you can walk on. And I'll tell you, a lot of people don't understand that. But unless you've been in that situation, you wouldn't. And as Forrest Gump says, that's all I'm going to say about that. That's a nice house right there. It's an older house. That's a nice house. There's another 40 acres for sale. The old daddy. This morning and get back in. Edit some of these videos. There's a nice little RV park. That's quite a little peaceful place right there. There's 65 acres for sale. That's a nice little RV park right there. It really is. Some of these horses down here, I feel so sorry for them. They're being a lot like that by themselves. And you can watch them come out and gnaw on the top of the fence. They're bored out of their mind. They're lonely. They're sociable animals. They need, another horse. Or a burro or a little goat or something. Social isolation is not good for anybody. That's why this coronavirus has got these people posting screaming videos on YouTube. Oh no, that's liberals. Well, guys, we are back to my subdivision. I want to thank everybody for coming along. If you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, get all your friends to watch. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm trying to build my channel as much as I can. I make these videos so that you all can watch it and enjoy it. And if you do, like I said, try to get your friends involved. And this is Frosty of Frosty's Travel. And thanks for watching, guys. And I'm out of here.